Hi, hello everyone from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Myself, Dr. M. Purushottam Reddy, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Information Technology. In this session, today we are going to discuss about matrix chain multiplication by using dynamic programming. These are the course objectives with respect to this subject design and analysis of algorithms. This is the course outcomes with respect to this chapter dynamic programming. After successful completion of this course, students will be able to apply dynamic programming algorithms for calculating optimized solutions. Matrix chain multiplication problem. Given a chain A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN of n matrices with sizes P0 into P1, P0 by P1, P1 by P2, P2 by P3 and so on, Pn minus 1 by Pn. Parenthesize the product A1, A2 and so on, AN such that the total number of scalar multiplication is minimized. So general matrix multiplication, how to multiply general multiplication means first row into first column, second row into first row into second column, second row into first column, second row into second column. In that way, multiply any matrices. So here we write that one. First row into first column values, 2 into 2 plus 5 into 1 plus 1 into 3 we write here. Next 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1 plus 1 into 2 we write here. The second row into first column, 4 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3 we write here. So similarly, second row into second column we write here. So in this way, multiply any two matrices. What is the rule for multiplication of two matrices? Means the number of columns in first row, first matrix, the number of columns in first matrix equal to number of rows in second matrix. Number of rows in second matrix. This is the rule for multiplying any two matrices. The number of scalar multiplications is here P into Q, here Q into R. The number of scalar multiplication is P into Q. Q is common value, will take only one time. So P into Q into R, P, Q, R is the number of scalar multiplications which you use in this matrix multiplication. So here, example, here we see that here four matrices are given. The dimensions are A1 is 13 by 5. A2 is value is 5 by 89, A3 value is 89 by 3, A4 is 3 by 34. Now, we multiply that values in different ways. We get that number of scalar multiplications here. Here we see that A1 is 13 by 5, A1 is 13 by 5, A2 is 5 by 89, A3 value is 89 by 3, 89 by 3, 3 by 34. These are the dimensions. Now, how to get this value means here 13 into 5 into 5, 18, 5 common. So, this value is 13 into 5 into 89 into A1, A2 value into A3. A3 value is plus A1 into A2 into A3. 13 into 5 into 89 is common into 3 plus, so A1 into A2 into A3 into A4. So 13 into 5 into 3 into 34. So 3 common. So 13 into 5 into 13 into 5 into 89 common, we write one time, 89 into 3. So now here 13 into 89 we get, so 13 into 89 into 3. Here we get, multiply these values, 13 into 89 into 3. So 13 into 3 we get 13 into 3 into 34. These are the scalar multiplication of these things. So we get sum of all these values is 10,582. Similarly, A1, A2 into A3 into A4 we get 54,201. A1 into A1 value is 13 by 5. A2, A3 5 into 89 into 89 into 3. 89 common, so 5 into 89 into 3. This is the value of A2, A3. This value multiply with A1. So multiply with A1 means here you get 5 into 3 into 13 by 5. 13 into 5 into 3. This is A1 into A3 value. This is A2, A3 value, this one. A1 into A2, A3 value, this one. A2, A3 value, this one. To multiply this total multiplication with A4. A4 means here you get 13 into 3. 13 into 3 into 34. 13 into 3 into 34. So multiply all these values and adding this one, we get 2856. Like this, multiply A1, A2, A3, A4, we get 4055. Here A1 into A2 into A3, A4, we get 26,418. So these are the number of scalar multiplications. Among this, 2856 is the minimum value. So this is the best solution to multiply that 4 matrices A1, A2, A3, A4. That solution is A1 into A2, A3 into A4. Multiply all these three values with A4. So come to dynamic programming approach. So in this dynamic programming approach, the structure of an optimal solution, let us use notation AI, I to J for the matrix that result from the product AI, AI plus 1 and so on AJ. An optimal parenthesization of the product A1, A2, A3 and so on AN. Split the product between AK2, AK and AK plus 1 for some integer K, where 1 less than equal to K less than equal to N. First compute matrices A1 to K and AK plus 1 to N, then multiply them to get the final matrix A1 to N. Key observation. The key observation is parenthesizations of the such subchains A1, A2 and so on AK and AK plus 1, AK plus 2 and so on AN must also be optimal if the parenthesization of the chain A1, A2 and so on AN is optimal. That is, the optimal solution to the problem contains within the optimal solution to sub-problems. Recursive definition of value of an optimal solution. Let Mij be the minimum number of scalar multiplications necessary to compute Aij. Minimum cost compute A1 to N is M of 1 to N. Suppose the optimal parenthesization of Aij split the product between AK and AK plus 1 for some integer K where I less than equal to K less than J. Aij equal to Ai into Ai plus 1 and so on AK, AK plus 1, AK plus 1, 2 plus 2 and so on Aj, which is equal to Ai to K, AK plus 1 to J. So cost of computing Aij equal to cost of computing Aik plus cost of computing Aik plus 1 to J plus cost of multiplying Aik to K and Aik plus 1 to J. Cost of multiplying Ak plus 1 to J is Pi minus 1 into Pk into Pj. So Mij equal to Mik plus Mk plus 1 into J, Pi minus 1 into Pk into Pj for I less than equal to K less than J. Mii equal to 0 for I equal to 1, 2 and so on N. So Mii value 0 for I equal to 1, 2 and so on 1. That means M11 is 0, M00 is 0, M22 is 0 and so on. But the optimal parenthesization occurs at one value of K along possible I less than equal to K less than J. Check all these and select the best one. So here Mij equal to formula is 0 if I equal to J, minimum I less than equal to K less than J, Mik plus Mk plus 1 comma J plus Pi minus 1, Pi into Pk plus 1 into Pj plus 1. So Mij equal to formula is minimum I less than equal to K less than J, M of Ik plus M of K plus 1 comma J, Pi into Pk plus 1 into Pj plus 1 is the formula for finding Mij value. To keep track of how to construct an optimal solution, we use a table S here. S of Ij, value of K at which Ai, Ak plus 1 and Aj is split for optimal parenthesization. Now here we find how to find these values here. We see that one. Here A1, A2, A3, A4, 4 matrices are given. The orders are given 5 by 4, 4 by 6, 6 by 2 and 2 by 7. So P0 equal to 5, P1 equal to 4, P2 equal to 6, P3 equal to 2, P4 equal to 7. Now here MI equal to 0, that from that one M11 equal to 0, M22 equal to 0, M33 equal to 0, M44 equal to 0. Now how to find this M12? M12 equal to minimum I less than equivalent to K less than J. I value is 1 less than equivalent to K less than 2. Here compulsory will take K equal to 1. So that K value is here 1. K equal to 1 equal to here formula is here. You see that formula here. M of ik plus M of k plus 1 comma j plus pi into pk plus 1 into pj. Mik, M of I value is 1, k value is also take 1, M of 1, M of k plus 1 comma j, 2 comma 2 plus pi means I value is 1 here. Pi means I value is 1. P1 value is 4. That means this one is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. P1 value is 5. Pk plus 1. P2 value is 4. Pj plus 1. P3 value is 6. So 5, 20 plus 6, 120. 120. Next, M23. M23 equal to minimum I value 2, K less than equivalent to 2 less than equal to K less than 3. Compulsory will take K equal to 2. So K equal to 2 means here we will take M of I comma K plus K plus 1 comma J plus Pi. Pi means here we will take I value from 1 to n. 1 to n means P1. That means here I value 2, P2 into J, K plus 1, P3 into P4. This value 0, this value 0. 0 plus P2 value 4 into 6 into P4 value is 2. 4 6 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48. So here K value is how much? 2. We take that 2. Next here, next value is M34. M34 equal to minimum 3 less than equal to K less than 4. K equal to compulsory we take 3. M of I value 3, K value 3 plus K plus 1 4, J value 4. Now P3 into P4 into P5. P3 6 into 4 6 into 2 into 7. M of 3 value 0 0 plus 6 into 2 into 7. 6 to the 12 12 7 ja 84. Here will take K value 3 3. Next, M13 minimum 1 less than equal to k less than 2. We'll take k equal to 1 or less than 3. 1 or 2. 1 means here m of 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1 plus m of 2 comma 3. M of 1 comma 2 plus m of 3 comma 3 plus this m of P1. P1 means here P1, P1, Pi. Pi means P1. P1 means 5 into so here plus P1 into 5. I value is 5 into Pi into Pk plus 1. K value is 1. K value is 1 means P2. P2 value is 5 into 4 into 6. 5 into 4 into 2. J plus 1. J plus 1 is J is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Here I value is 5. K value is 2. 2 plus 1 3 6. J plus 1 is 2. M11 value is 0. M23. M23 value is 48 plus 520 522 is 40. M12 value is 120. M33 value is 0 plus 32 is 60. This value is 180. This value is 88. This value is 180. Among this least value is 88 for k equal to 1. K equal to 1, 88. Next, M24. M24 equal to minimum 2 less than k less than equivalent to k less than 4. So k equal to 2 or 3. M 2 k equal to first will take M k plus 1 3 4 plus Pi 2 Pk plus 1 3 Pj plus 1 P5 M23 plus M44 I value is 2 P2 k value 3 means P4 P5 M22 value is 0 M34 value is 84 plus P2 value is 4 into P3 value is 6 into P5 value is 7. M23 value is 48. M44 value is 0. P2 value is 4. P4 value is 2 into 7. So 84, 4 6 is 24, 7 6 is 42. 42 into 4, 4 2 is 8, 168. 4 2 is 8, 8 7 is 56. So this is the least value. The least value is 14, 104. This least value for k equal to 3. Next, find last value M14. M14 equal to minimum 1 less than equal to k less than 4. K equal to 1, 2, 3. First 1. M of 1. K value is also 1. 1. M of 2, 4 plus P1, P2, P5. M of 1, 2, M of 3, 4, P1, P3, P5. M of 1, 4, 1, 3, M of 4, 4 plus P1, P4, P5. M of 1, 1 is 0 plus M of 2, 4, 104 plus P1. P1 value is 5. 5 into 4 into 5 value is 7. This M of 1, 2, 120 plus M of 3, 4, 84 plus P1 value is 5 into P3 value is 6 into 7. M of 1, 3, 1, 3 value is 88 plus M of 4, 4, 0, P1 5, P4 2 into P5 7. So among these three values, this is the minimum value I think. 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 7. 7 into 7, 70, 70 plus 88, 158, 158 for k equal to 3. So this is the minimum value. Now from this one, how to find the multiplication value, in which order we multiply that matrix, as we find that one here. Here we see that M14. Here 3 means here 3, 4 is separate. Here this value is 3. So M13, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. So 3, M14 divided into M13, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 4. Now again you see it is divided into M12, M23, M34. So now here clearly observe that 2, 3 is the between these two. So multiply A2 into A3 first. A2 into A3. First A2, A13. This is 88, 158. This least 88, 13. So 13. Here least value is 2, 3. So among these values we observe that least value is 2, 3. So we multiply A2 into A3. Next we multiply next least value is 88. Next row. In next row 88 is the minimum in the remaining rows. So multiply A1 into A2, A1, 2, 3 means A1 to A3. Multiply in this order. Next M14 means remaining value is 4. We multiply A4. So this is the order of multiplying that 3 matrices, that 4 matrices. We get the scalar multiplication value. How much value that one means 158. 158 is the minimum value. So in this way we multiply that one. It takes less number of scalar multiplication. It takes less time to multiply that matrices. It takes less memory space to occupy the values, to multiplication values in the memory. So this is the algorithm. So input array P of 0 to n containing matrix dimension of order n. Algorithm matrix chain of multiply of P is the matrices, n is the order. For I equal to 1 to n, do mi values initially will take 0. For length 2 to n, do for I equal to 1 to n minus length plus 1, do j equal to I plus length minus 1. M ijj equal to infinity means unknown value. For k equal to I to j minus 1, do. So q equal to mik plus m of k plus 1 j pi minus 1 into pk into pj. If q less than mij, mij equal to q, sij equal to q. Using these formulas we find that values. So finally return that matrix and the corresponding direction value. The matrix cost value, minimum cost value and direction value. Yes, the time complexity of this above algorithm is big O of nq. So our algorithm computes the minimum cost table M and split S. The optimal solution can be constructed from the split table S. Already we saw that one. So each entry S of ij equal to k. So where split the product A1, AI plus 1 and so on Aj for the minimum cost of that given matrix S. The time complexity is big O of n cube, where big O of n for initialization and n square time for the multiplying any two that all that matrices which are given in the multiplication. So thanks to everyone.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.